Headmaster McKee.
Shut up.
Yes, sir.
Buying and selling within the confines of the premises of the school is illegal.
How illegal?
Extremely.
What about when we sell raffle tickets?
That's different. Those are for charity benefits and things that matter. What you two do is prohibited.
Prohibited or illegal? Which is it?
I would like to remind the both of you that this is the 4th time you've been in my office this semester.
Has it really been that many times?
And now we're here with the adventures of Sextron and Piss Boy, no doubt. Stop it. Stop laughing. It's not funny.
I'm sorry, sir.
Mr. Berkowitz, after this, your scholarship is up for termination.
I know, sir.
I'm giving you another shot to get in line. As for you, Mr. Henderson, your father and I have had many conversations, and he seems to agree that you would be a better fit.
Yes, sir. I know. Military school.
We could demonstrate for what? Some comic books? I mean, we made that ourselves. It's art. We could sue. No, we couldn't. We don't have the copyright. Whatever. It's bullshit. Oh, I'll tell you what's BS. I spent my whole allowance at the copy store on those comics. $50 down the drain, man. Couldn't you just tell your parents you lost it? I could hit you a few times to make it look like you got jumped. That didn't work the last time. I'm not doing it again. Suit yourself. They're probably gonna make me get a job. You can't get a job, you have school. They have after-school jobs, dude. Well, then who am I supposed to hang out with? You could hang out with Yale. Can't get a job. They'll make me. Well, that's stupid. You wouldn't get it. So, if I lost my allowance and my scholarship in the same week, I'll get you your $50 back. How? I don't know, but I'm gonna. Just have to think. Still want my history homework? Oh, yeah. Solid 6.
Good distance. I give it an 8.
Hey guys. I heard you guys are going off to military school.
Who'd you hear that from?
Al Zimmerman.
That's a damn lie. Al Zimmerman talks nothing but smack. You know that, dude. No one's going to military school.
What was it for this time?
Mind your business, Yale.
How many licks did he give you?
None. We just had to scrape gum off the desk for a week.
Huh. Dude, shh. Hey, you guys got any of those comic books? I swear I got a quarter around here somewhere.
The Keegler confiscated them yesterday.
No shit.
Yep.
You know, I really wish you wouldn't go around watering the flowers with our business.
What? He asked.
Yes, it's true.
That really blows. I was looking forward to this 3rd issue, too.
Us too.
Benji has to come up with other things I could sell so we get my $50 back. Ow, dude!
I just told you not to.
You know. Don't tell anyone I told you this, but there's this guy, Doug Derhart, sold me some Adderall for midterms. He's probably got something you could sell.
Brilliant, Yale. Oh my god.
No.
What do you mean, no?
I mean, I don't want to deal drugs. Shh. I don't want to deal drugs.
I'm not even saying you'd be selling drugs. He's got everything. Guns, beer, mufflers.
See?
He lives over at Blue Acres, house number 3. He'll be hanging out in the garage. Can't miss him.
Brilliant. Just brilliant. So what you gonna wear?
Yeah? Why?
I just don't want to see you get jumped for real.
Whatever, man.
I don't know why you're being so pissy. We're gonna get your $50.
Listen, man. This is just... We can get into serious trouble.
You scared?
I don't know. Have you ever seen a drug dealer? I haven't.
I've seen some stuff. We have HBO.
What is the matter with you?
Me? This is all about you, Marco. This is all for you. Now you're gonna decide. You're gonna have to decide who you're gonna be. Are you gonna be the one turning and coughing, or are you gonna be the one putting on the gloves? Here we go.
Who's there?
Mr. Darrenhart? Hi, I'm Benji Henderson. I'm here with my colleague, Marco Berkowitz.
Hail and well met.
Please!
Oh my god!
Oh, you're just some kids. Well, what do you want? You selling tickets or something? Just stand up. Stop crying.
Yale Callahan told us he bought some Adderall from you last week.
He said you might be able to help us make some quick cash.
Come inside by the fire. It's cold. You know me, I'm Doug Darrenhart. Welcome to the Dugout. This goddess you see here before you is Tallulah. Say hi, boys.
Hi, Tallulah.
And that's Gary. So yeah. Weird kid, right? Saw some addies. Say, why do you dress like that?
School uniform, sir.
Private school, right? Listen, you boys are heaven sent. I've got some product I think your kind can afford. These things sell like candy. And kids love them too. These, right here.
Is that like a flashlight or a vape?
Bingo. Now you just sell these for me. I can't really come on the school grounds anymore just because of that. Well, anyways, you sell these for $15. You bring me 10, and you get to keep 5.
Oh, we only need 50.
Shh. Okay, so you just sell 10, and we're done here. You look like the brains of this operation. Walk with me.
Well, come sit.
You have a lovely garage.
Thank you. You want something to drink or something?
Some water would be nice.
Of course.
Putting on the gloves. Putting on the gloves.
You know, I used to go to Olmsted Gardens. I went to a few mixers with some Kaplan men, nice men, very nice hands. You know, I used to play volleyball there. I was very good. I still have the shorts.
It's the tap.
Come on, Rose Bells.
Now, if you boys get caught with that, you remember, you do not know me. This never happened. And those fell out of the sky or something, right? Alright.
Yeah.
Good. Because if not,
Alright! Okay, both for what you do best. Spread the word.
Sold 3. You? 1. Good stuff. Magnus? Hello? 15. Hey!
What do you say? Dude. Marco!
Mr. Henderson, your father is on the phone. He'd like a word.
Marco! Marco! Hey,
Hey,
you got a job.
I think you knew that.
No.
Well, the note on the delivery says we'll only accept delivery from Marco Berkowitz.
Sorry.
Whatever, man.
I haven't seen you at school.
Probably because I don't go there anymore.
Yeah. No, I was...
Because I've lost my scholarship.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Well, I just... I wanted to see you before I leave for military school in the morning.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Dude,
How much is it?
$13.50.
Keep the change. Wait.
Thanks, man.
I owe you.